Maghahanda tayo, pero naubusan tayo ng gasol. Kaya ito, Ronnie, pagkikabit. Bakit naman ganun? Bilisan mo. Grabe. Magluluto tayo ng panghandaan. Eto, kabit mo na now. Dapat hindi naubusan ng gasol, di ba? Nagluluto tayo dito. Buti na lang, nag-deliver agad. Eto talaga, hindi tayo natatakot kasi safe siya, oh. Petron Gasol. Yan. Bilis mag-deliver, di ba? Yan. Pagbalik ko, okay na yan, ha. Ano na, ready na yan?
Okay na, Chef.
Let's go! Today, I will be cooking one of my favorite pastas, a creamy pasta called Alfredo, and this one has bacon. And today, I am cooking with gasol. Not ordinary gasol, Petron Gasol. Napakabongga na ngayon ng gasol dahil para siya aquarium. Nakikita mo yung loob. Kasi may mga transparent, translucent windows. Makikita mo kung puno pa yung iyong gasol or paubos na. So, even before maubusan ka ng gasol, pwede ka na mag-order. O, di ba? So convenient. And dahil meron siyang non-explosive, heavy-duty composite cylinder, hindi siya sasabog kahit ano pa mangyari. Kaya safe na safe ka, especially tayo sa bahay. Di ba? Natatakot tayo. Ito, no need to worry. O, di ba? And magluluto tayo ngayon. Ang ating lulutuin, as I said earlier, is an Alfredo. So, carbonara siya with cream. Kasi technically, ang carbonara wala namang cream. So, ito, meron tayong pasta. I'm using spaghetti. Spaghetti noodles. And I will just add my salt. Dapat season yung ating water. I will add my noodles. And it's so easy to do. Ito, kakaiba yung style ko magluto ng ating Alfredo. And you will love it. Especially for non-cooks who cook. Di ba maraming ganun, di ba? Hindi talaga kusinero, pero nagluluto kasi kailangan pakainin yung mga anak, or may bisita, or walang ibang makaluto, nagkikrave ka. This is the Alfredo recipe for you. Yan. And I will slice my bacon. Dice lang natin yung bacon kasi I'm using thick cut bacon. And very easy. Very simple. So I will heat up my pan. Napansin mo, blue flame. Ang blue flame, yung pinakamainit talaga na apoy, kaya it cooks faster. Kaya you really have to choose yung gas mo na talagang clean ang fuel. No? Para mas tipid ka, no? Kasi if you cook with very hot, no, yung blue flame, ibig sabihin, mas madali maluto kasi tama yung temperature ng inyong apoy. Oil and butter, pangpalinamnam, and I will just add my bacon. Yan. And napansin mo yung aking bacon, nilagay ko na hindi pa mainit masyado yung aking oil para mag-render din yung kanyang fat. Kaya nitong gawin, di ba? It's so simple. We will add more bacon para mas masarap. Gisa-gisa tayo. And what I will do now is I will also add mushrooms. So I have here some button mushrooms. Gisa-gisa natin. And napapansin nyo, di ba? Pag nagluluto tayo ng ating carbonara or Alfredo, pag nilagay natin yung cream, maya't maya, ano nangyayari? Ina-absorb ng ating noodles ang cream. So, hindi na siya creamy yung ating pasta, no? Nagiging dry siya. And I will teach you, di ba tinuro ko na before, yung gagawa ka ng bechamel. Pero, matrabaho. Ito mas simple kasi gusto natin mas madali yung buhay natin. And I will teach you. This is so simple. Huwag niyong i-share kasi makukuha yung secret natin. Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and cornstarch. O, alam niyo ba yun? Sobrang bilis lang. Mix natin. Ayan. Let's wait. Mix natin na. Mix natin everything combined. Wait for our noodles to cook. Dapat al dente. Right to the bite. Yan. Konti na lang. Few more minutes. Kaya through the years, pag sinasabi mong nagluluto ka, alam mo talaga yung Gasol. Of course, Petron Gasol, trusted by all households dahil of course reliable siya, safe, sobrang ganda nating recipe, parang magic lang makikita mo as it transforms. Boil ka lang ng inyong pasta, saute ng inyong sahog, ready your mix, and combine everything and meron ka ng super sarap, super simple na Alfredo pasta. All we have to do is add our cream. Cold yung ating cream o nag-set. So, tingnan mo, when your cream is heated up, tingnan mo, di ba nagme-melt? So, yun ang problema mo. Pag nagluluto ka with cream in your pasta, nagiging liquid. Kaya ina-absorb siya ng noodles. Di ba? Kasi fat yan eh, di ba? Yan. So, we will let that simmer. Yan. Very simple. Get all the noodles. Ito siya, 1 minute until maluto siya. Pero kukunin na natin siya kasi maluluto pa siya sa ating sauce. Yan. Mix natin. Mix, mix, mix. Look at that. If you have to add a little liquid, what do? Scoop lang tayo ng ating pasta water to add more of our sauce. And ito, yung ating parmesan, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder mixture. Mix everything. Dapat walang lumps. And slowly drizzle. It will add flavor and thicken at the same time. No? Ito diba? Mas madali pa kaysa mag-bechamel. Galing, no? Simple na simple talaga, oh. Diba? Kahit hindi ka magaling magluto, kaya mo yan. Creamy agad, no? Napansin nyo? Creamy agad yung ating pasta. If you want to dilute it, just add a bit of your pasta water. Bilis lang, no? And we are done. Creamy, delicious, perfectly cooked. Black pepper na lang, kulang, freshly cracked. Black pepper. So, it's so fun and easy and simple to cook with Petron Gasol. And ito ating dish. Made easy also for you, especially for holidays, for special events. Gusto mong magluto, ayaw ma-stress. Do this recipe. And let's split. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Creamy, flavorful, masarap yung ating bacon. Diba? Kapit na kapit yung ating cream. Now, black pepper and Parmesan cheese. If you want to add any other kind of cheese, kayo na bahala. Little bit of parsley. And may pa-bread tayo sa gilid. And we're done. It's time for me to taste. Sigurado kung masarap to. Very nice, very creamy. Tingnan mo, kitang-kita mo talaga na ang sauce was not absorbed by the noodles. So you still enjoy the creaminess even after serving. Very nice. Look at that, oh. Perfect. So simple, so good, so satisfying. Cooking with Gasol can be simple and fun. Kaya try this recipe at home, ating creamy Alfredo pasta. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!